The Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Welcome to our online teaching academy. Ekadeva. See, this is 12th standard business max chapter 7 exercise 7.2. The mortality rate for a certain disease. What is that meaning for mortality? Death rate. Death rate. Death rate for a certain disease is 7 in 1000. What is the probability for just two death on account of this disease in a group of 400? You can take it as a sample at a random of 400. So what is the n value here? Can E value is given. Whenever E value is given in the question, you can think of that Poisson distribution. What is the formula for Poisson distribution? Poisson distribution. Poisson distribution. P of x equal to x, P of x equal to x, e power minus lambda, lambda power x by x factorial, e power minus lambda, lambda power x by x factorial, where x can takes the value 0, 1 to etc. up to n. 0, 1 to etc. up to n. See here, the probability of, let P be the, let P be the, P be the probability, let P be the probability, let P be the probability of mortality rate of for a certain disease. Mortality rate, that is death rate, rate for a certain disease, rate for a certain disease, certain disease, that is P equal to disease, that is P equal to 7 by 100, the 7 by 1000 it is given. You can take it as a sample of 400 people. So P equal to 0 0.007, 0 0.007. So you should find out the value of lambda. Lambda is nothing but NP. Here lambda equal to mean, lambda equal to NP. Lambda n value is 400 into 7 by 1000. So 28 by 10. 28 by 10. The value is 2.8. Lambda value is 2.8. X follows the Poisson distribution. What they are asking in the question? Just two death. Just two death. Just two death. So P of x equal to 2. P of x equal to 2. P of x equal to 2. E power minus lambda. Lambda value is what? Minus 2.8. Lambda power. E power minus lambda. Lambda power x by x factorial. Lambda power x. Lambda power x is nothing but what? 2.8 the whole square by 2 factorial. E power minus 2.8, the value is given in the question itself. 0 point exponential value 0 0.06, 0 0.06 into 2.8 the whole square, 2.8 the whole square into 2.8 the whole square by 2 factorial is 1 into 2, 2. Cancel the value 0.03. When we multiply 0.03 into 2.8 the whole square, what is the value? 0.2352. 0.2352. So probability for just two death, probability for just two death on account of this disease, two death on account of this disease, and account of this disease of this disease, on account of this disease equal to, and account of this disease equal to 0.2352. 0.2352. Next, you move on to the next question, seventh question. See, it is given that 5% of the electric bulbs manufactured by a company are defective. Using Poisson distribution, find the probability that a sample of 120 bulbs will contain no defective. No defective means you can take it as the x value equal to 0. So let P be the probability. Let P be the probability of, let P be the probability of defective electric bulb, because they are asking about the defective electric bulbs only. No defective. Let P be the probability of, let P be the probability of defective electric bulbs, of defective electric bulbs. Let P be the probability of defective electric bulbs. Electric electric bulbs. Electric bulb. So what is the value of P? It is given in the question, 5%, that is 5 by 100. What is the sample piece N? You can take it as N equal to 120 sample. 120 sample bulbs you have taken. What is the value of lambda? Mean equal to lambda equal to NP. So 120 into 5 by 100. 0, 0. So 0 0.6. 0 0.6. Here 0 0.6. That is 60 by 10. Not 0 0.6, 60 by 10. So the value is 6. Lambda value is equal to 6. Lambda equal to 6. See here, lambda equal to 6. Lambda equal to 6. So x follows the Poisson distribution. X follows the Poisson distribution. What is the formula for that? X follows the Poisson distribution. What is the formula for the Poisson distribution? Poisson distribution. P of x equal to x e power minus lambda, lambda power x by x factorial. X can takes the value 0, 1 to etc. up to n. See, no defective. No defective means x equal to 0. E power minus 6, 6 power 0 by 0 factorial. 6 power 0 by 0 factorial. P of x equal to 0 equal to e power minus 6. Anything to the power 0 value is 1, and 0 factorial is also what? 1. So P of x equal to 0 equal to e power minus 6. It is given in the question itself that the exponential value is 0 0.025. 0 0.025. So the probability of no defective bulb equal to 0 0.0025. Next, you move on to the eighth question. A car hiring firm has two cars. The demand for cars on each day is distributed as a Poisson variate with the mean. They have given the mean value straight away. Lambda equal to 1.5. Lambda equal to 1.5. Calculate the neither car is used. Neither car is used means x value equal to 0. So x follows the Poisson distribution. X follows the Poisson distribution. X follows the Poisson distribution. So what is the formula for Poisson distribution? Poisson distribution, P of x equal to x e power minus lambda, lambda power x e power minus lambda, lambda power x by x factorial. First subdivision is neither car is used. Neither car is used means x can takes the value 0. P of x equal to 0. E power lambda value it is given as minus 1 point, given as 1.5 e power minus lambda, lambda power 0 by 0 factorial. 0 factorial value is 1. E power minus 1.5, it is a exponential value. It is given in the question itself. 0.22, 0.2231, 0.2231, 1.5 whole power 0 value is 1, and 0 factorial is also 1. 0 factorial is also 1. So P of x equal to 0 equal to 0.2231. 0.2231. See the second subdivision. Some demand is refused. Some demand is refused. The demand may either be 0 core or 1 core or 2 cores, because we are hiring only for the 2 cores. The demand, the demand be the demand. The demand you can choose as maybe either 0 or 1 or 2 cause, maybe either 0 0 or 1 or 2 cause, either 0 1 or 2 cause. So P of some demand refused. P of some demand is refused. Some demand is refused is nothing but some demand is refused. It's nothing but what? Total probability value is 1 minus P of x less than or equal to 2. Less than or equal to 2. So 1 minus P of x equal to 0 plus P of x equal to 1 plus P of x equal to 2. P of x equal to 2. So 1 minus e power 1 minus e power minus lambda. 1 minus e power minus lambda. Lambda value is, don't know about the lambda value, e power minus lambda, lambda power 0 by 0 factorial, and about the lambda value is 1.5. Afterwards we can substitute that 1.5 plus e power minus lambda, e power minus lambda, lambda power 1 by 1 factorial plus e power minus lambda, lambda square by 2 factorial. 2 factorial. So what is the value for that? 1 minus e power lambda, minus lambda value is what? 1.5. 1.5 into 1 plus lambda square by 2 factorial is 2. 2 factorial is 2. So lambda value you can substitute as 1.5. See here, 1 minus e power minus 1.5 into 1 plus 1.5 plus 1.5 the whole square by 2. 1.5 the whole square by 2. So what is the value for this? 1 minus 0 point. You can do the calculation in the calculator. You can check the value. 2231, it is given in the question itself. The value for the exponential value for this is 3.625. 3.625. You subtract 1 minus, when we multiply these two, 0.8087. 8087. So the value is 0.1912. So probability of probability of some demand is refused, some demand, probability of some demand is refused, some demand is refused is equal to, some demand is refused is equal to 0.1912. 1912. See the next question. Ninth one, the average number of phone calls per minute into switchboard of a company between 10 a.m. and 2:30 p.m. is 2.5. Average means you can take it as lambda, that is nothing but mean. Find the probability that during one particular minute there will be no phone call. First one subdivision is no phone at all. First you can choose what is the lambda value here. Average number of phone calls. Average number of phone calls per minute. Phone calls per minute. Phone calls per minute between 10 a.m. between 10 a.m. and 2:30 p.m. and 2:30 p.m. 2:30 p.m. equal to 2.5. That is lambda equal to 2.5. X can takes the follows the Poisson distribution. Let X follows the Poisson distribution. X follows the Poisson distribution. Follows the Poisson distribution. What is the formula for Poisson distribution? Yeah, Poisson distribution P of x equal to x e power minus lambda, lambda power x by x factorial. X can takes the value 0, 1, 2, etc. The first one is no phone call. No phone call means what? X value equal to 0. E power lambda value is what? Minus 2.5. 2.5 whole power 0 by 0 factorial. Anything to the power 0 is equal to 1 and 0 factorial is also 1. The value is e power minus 2.5. The value is given in the question itself. It is exponential 0.08, 0.08208, 0.08208. We move on to the second subdivision. Exactly three calls. Exactly three calls means P of x equal to 3. P of x equal to 3. That is same thing. You can proceed e power minus lambda 2.5. Lambda power x. Lambda power x value is 3 by 3 factorial. So e power minus 2.5, 2.5 whole power 3 by 3 factorial is what? 1 into 2 into 3. It's nothing but 6. So e power P of x equal to 3 equal to e power minus 2.5 value is 0.08208 into 2.5 the whole cube. 2.5 the whole cube by 3 twos are 6. 3 twos are 6. When we cancel, what is the answer? P of x equal to 3. P of x equal to 3. The value is 0.2121375. 21375. So approximately you can take the value P of x equal to 3. X equal to 3. You round off the 4 decimal values. 0.2138. 0.2138. You move on to the third subdivision. At least 5 calls. You know very well what is the value of at least, greater than or equal to. So P of x greater than or equal to 5. But here n value greater than or equal to 5. They are not mentioning the n value. So you can choose it as 1 minus P of x less than 5. Less than 5. So 1 minus p of x equal to 0 plus p of x equal to 1 plus p of x equal to 2 plus p of x equal to 3 plus p of x equal to 4. X equal to 4. So it gives 1 minus e power minus lambda, e power minus lambda, lambda power 0 by 0 factorial. You can substitute the lambda value afterwards. E power minus lambda, lambda power 1 by 1 factorial plus e power minus lambda, lambda square by 2 factorial plus e power minus lambda, lambda cube by 3 factorial plus e power minus lambda, lambda power 4 by 4 factorial, 4 factorial. So you can take it as p of x greater than or equal to 5 equal to 1 minus e power minus lambda. You can take it out. What is the remaining thing? 1 plus lambda square by 2 factorial plus lambda cube by 3 factorial plus lambda power 4 by 4 factorial, lambda power 4 by 4 factorial. So it gives 1 minus e power minus lambda into 1 plus lambda square by 1 into 2 plus lambda cube by 1 into 2 into 3 plus lambda power 4 by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4, 3 into 4, 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. So 1 minus e power, what is the lambda value? Lambda value is 2.5, 2.5 by 1 plus 2.5 plus 2.5 the whole square by 2, 2.5 the whole square by 2 plus 2.5 the whole cube by 6 plus 2.5 the whole power 4 by 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24. See here, 1 minus, it gives 1 minus e power, 1 minus e power minus 2.5, e power minus 2.5, e power minus 2.5 into 1 plus 2.5 plus 1 plus 2.5. See, 2.5 the whole square by 2, 3.125. Do the calculation in the rougher column. You check the calculation. Plus 2.604, 2.604 whole cube, 2.604 whole cube plus 1 point plus 1.6276, 1.6276. So what is the answer for this? Equal to 1 minus e power minus 2.5 value is 0.08208, 0.08208 into, when we add all these values, 10.8566, 8566. So it gives 1 minus 0.1 minus 0.89, 0.89 triple 1. Subtract p of x greater than or equal to 5 equal to 0.1089, 0.1089. Probability of at least 5 calls, probability of at least 5 calls value is 0.1089. I hope you understood, children. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.